Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's Marla. It is 5:30 in the morning and I have a cup of coffee. This is not a true get ready with me. It's more like I want to show you some new products, and the easiest way to do that is to test them out on my face. The first product I have is this stick from e.l.f., which I really have enjoyed. This is e.l.f.'s Prep and Hydrate Balm. I really like this. I put it under my eyes and it is so soothing. It almost feels like it's smoothing out the lines under my eyes. It has a cooling effect. When you put it on, it just feels so refreshing under my eyes. It contains shea butter and cocoa. It also has aloe vera. It is their water-based primer, and you can use it on your elbows, your hands, almost anywhere in your body that you want to hydrate. This next product I received from OFRA. It is their Cool as a Cucumber moisturizer and primer. So it's really a moisturizing primer all in one. It's supposed to hydrate, soothe, and smooth the skin. I have had all home runs with the OFRA products that I've received so far, and this one is just as good as all the other ones I've gotten. This is a fabulous moisturizer primer. When I first tried it on, I didn't think it was going to be as hydrating as it actually turned out to be. When you put this on your face, it just feels so rich and creamy, but not greasy or oily, and it smells like fresh cucumbers. I really have enjoyed every OFRA product I've received so far. Cucumber is one of the ingredients in this product. Cucumber helps lock in the moisturizing benefits of the coconut oil, the macadamia nut oil, and the nut oil, I think that's how you pronounce it, that are all found in this primer. It has a really velvety texture, smells great, I love it. OFRA was nice enough again to give us all a 30% off promotion code. I will leave that in the description box for anybody that wants to buy any OFRA products. So I picked up two eyeshadow palettes. The first one is from BH Cosmetics. It's their Glam Reflection eyeshadow palette. There's 15 pans in here of eyeshadow. I believe this is the Gilded palette. Didn't care for that too much. Very powdery, so instead I'm going to use Velvet 59's Biker Babe palette. I love Velvet 59. I purchased this off their website. I like that the palette's nice and compact. Love the shades, especially that pink shade. The only problem with it is there is no real matte brow bone shade, so I end up having to use another eyeshadow palette to find a cream colored or off-whitish shade to put under my eyebrow. But other than that, I really like the colors in this palette. I like the way they go down. They're not highly pigmented, but as a mature person, I would prefer to build color up rather than have colors that are too pigmented that are hard for me to blend out. So I am going to increase the speed on this and get all the eyeshadow down, and then we'll move on to the next group of products. So now I have a nice wash of color on my eyes. It's sort of a pinky mauve shade, and I'm just taking that BH Cosmetics palette and getting a brow bone color. But again, that is a very powdery palette to me. I never reach for it. It's not my favorite. I'm going to quickly line my eyes with my Fierce Flicks eyeliner from Ciate London. Curl my lashes, and now on to another product I have been testing out from Kiko. I received this mascara from Kiko. It's their Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. It's a volumizing mascara that's supposed to give you fuller looking lashes with kind of a panoramic effect. The mascara is supposed to give you fuller looking lashes. The formula has a thick yet creamy texture, and it's very buildable. Now the wand has a very unique shape. It's sort of an hourglass shape, and that might be the problem I personally ran into with this mascara. I don't really think there's anything wrong with the mascara or it's a bad product. I just think I don't have a lot of eyelashes, and almost any mascara I put on seems to get really messy on me, but this mascara got super messy on me and a little bit clumpy. I noticed little kind of balls of the mascara on my lashes. Now that really didn't bother me as much as more the mess. It went right onto my lid, but like I said, that may not be due to the mascara itself. It may just be due to the fact that I don't have a lot of eyelashes, and almost any mascara I put on really makes a mess on my lids. And even when I gave it a second try, I ended up with the same results, just kind of a messier lid. It just wasn't the mascara for me. It's possible that the wand is just too big for my eye, especially since I don't have a lot of thick lashes to normally protect my lid. You can see the shape of the wand. It is very hourglass. I love the packaging of this. I really do appreciate the people at Kiko sending me this for review. It just may be the fact that I don't have lashes that it was so messy on me, but it wouldn't be my personal first choice for mascara. I had to show you that mascara on a different day because I didn't want to mess up my eye makeup. But for today's eye makeup look, I am going to actually use two mascaras. The first mascara I'm using is L'Oreal's Telescopic. I really like the wand on this. It's nice and narrow, and I can get it on my eyelashes without making a total mess. The second mascara I used was Lancome Monsieur Big. My old eyelash comb broke, so I had to order a new Tweezerman eyelash comb. I really like these eyelash combs because if you have any little balls of mascara are stuck to your lashes, you can comb them out and make your lashes look less clumpy. For today's look, I am going to use my Chile sun tint. I haven't used this in a while. I think this has an SPF of 50 and it's very lightweight. And the other thing I just recently purchased is this Sigma foundation brush. I saw so many YouTubers talking about it and raving about it. I had to buy it, and I really do like it. I've been using it for foundation, for tinted moisturizers. It really is a nice foundation brush. Feels really good in my hand. I like the bristles. They don't shed. I was so happy with that purchase. For my concealer today, I'm going to use my OFRA Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. You guys have heard me talk about this 100 times, so I'm going to speed through this one really quickly. I'll put a link in the description box for my eyebrow video. I did purchase a new blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have never had a blush by Anastasia Beverly Hills before, and I got this one. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I love this blush. It goes on so nice. It's nice and pigmented. I like that there's 3 colors. I can mix and match them. It really is a very nice blush. Now I'm putting on my number 7 bronzer. You've seen me use that before. And now I'm going to powder this dewy face with my number 7 translucent powder. I really am looking forward to going back to Boulder. I actually like my dry skin out there. I much prefer dry skin to kind of combo skin. The thick humidity down here in Florida always makes my face feel like a grease ball. So I'm looking forward to going back there and having slightly drier skin to deal with. And I'm putting a little bit of this Maybelline Strobing liquid on. I've talked about this before also. I'll leave all the names of the products I used in the description box along with the shade that I was using. This just gives my skin a really kind of nice, wet looking glow. This is a new-to-me lipstick that I got from Velvet 59. I really like their lipsticks. This is the packaging it came in. It's actually perfect for Florida. It's so pretty and pink. It looks like a Florida sunset with the palm trees, although it's probably more of a California sunset. But this is called their Malibu Sunset Collection, and I love all the colors in this. I really like the packaging on this. It's really classy. It's kind of a gold-looking embossed little lipstick tube, and I like the way it has a snap closure, super secure so it won't open up in my purse. I have two colors, one Octoly sent me and one I bought myself. The one on the right is Coral Canyon. That's the one that was sent to me by Velvet 59, and the one on the left is PCH. That is the one I purchased myself. These are the two colors. You can see that the Coral Canyon is just a very vibrant corally shade, kind of on the pink side, and then the PCH is more of a nude, kind of pale, peachy shade. This collection was inspired by Malibu and all of Southern California, which is my favorite place on earth. Velvet 59's owner is Paris Manning, and she has spent years living in California, and she made this collection so that whenever she was away from home, all she had to do was have a piece of Malibu with her in her lipsticks. I thought that was so cute. I love palm trees, I love ocean breezes, I love salty air, I like California, and I like these lipsticks. Now, they are more of a thicker, pastier formula. If you like a formula that just glides on, is very thin and sheer, you will probably not like these lipsticks. They have more of a thicker consistency, a little bit more on the pastier side when it comes to feeling, but I actually like that. They really adhered to my lip line very well. They lasted on me almost all day, and even when they rubbed off, I still was left with the stain. I'm applying the shade Coral Canyon. This lipstick is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Now, this is not a matte lipstick. It does have a little bit of a shine to it. And if you really want to jazz it up a little bit, you can add a little bit of Moonlust from L'Oreal Metallic Infallible Lip Paints. And that is a great layering topper. So I hope you enjoyed some of these new products. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.